Friends, in today's world, we find ourselves surrounded by AI. But have you ever thought about how it works behind the scenes? Let's break it down simply. So you type a question on your device, something like, "Why is the sky blue?" Your laptop doesn't just answer, it sends your text across the internet. Then your message reaches these massive AI servers filled with GPUs. These servers load up the AI model and start to process your question. Before it gets to your question, AI has to clean up the text first. Then it breaks down your sentence into smaller pieces called tokens. For example, Y becomes 11, is becomes 55, the becomes 7, and so on. These are whole numbers because AI can't read words directly. Now, the important part, embeddings. This is where those whole numbers transform into decimal vectors. For instance, sky 862 becomes something like 0.24 and 1.34, and so on. These decimals convey meaning, like how sky connects to blue, and Y prompts a reason. This is the moment AI begins to understand. Now, these decimal vectors enter the core of the system, the transformer, the pinnacle of all layers, the essence of the AI. Here, the model engages in countless small mathematical operations, continuously updating those decimals until it grasps precisely what answer you seek. The AI assigns attention scores, which are also decimals. They indicate which words are most significant. For your question, sky and blue receive high attention. The model then predicts the most appropriate answer using probabilities in decimal form. It selects the most probable next token and constructs your answer gradually. The AI subsequently translates its numerical output back into standard English text, making it readable for us. Finally, the response is relayed back to your device, allowing you to see the answer instantly.